Good morning. It's day 138 of Safety 365, and we're just going to talk a little bit about snowblower safety. These tools or equipment put about 5,700 people into the emergency room, about 60 amputations a year, and it's pretty simple how people get caught. When you're going out and you're doing snowblowing, the chute that throws out the snow gets clogged with ice or heavy wet snow, and it doesn't go. Now, what you're supposed to do is shut it off and use a tool to clean it. But people who have trouble getting the snowblower started, if it's a gasoline motor mixed oil, they don't want to shut it off because they're afraid they might not get it started again. You know, I use a thing called Motomix. It measures the oil gas. It's pre-mixed. It's expensive, but it always works. So I don't have a problem. If it gets clogged, I just shut it off. I get the tool and I poke the tool down there and it pushes the snow. Other one that you could get cause an amputation, people don't realize that if you grab your fingers around this to lift it, instead of using the handle, this blade could take off your fingers. And I've seen people I know lose a finger because they just grab it up and they just want to grab it because it seems easy. But the handle is just as easy. I don't care how big your hand is. You can put your hand around that handle that's right on top of the lid. So we get a lot of accidents with this, and you want to make sure people have some training sessions. You know, people said, well, you know, you got a person amputated at work. Well, what did you do to train them? Well, everybody knows how to use a snowboard, and that's not true. They don't know the do's and don'ts. They don't know the hazards. They do think it's going to be okay, and you got to cover this in your training program. So we'll see you tomorrow, and be safe.